So there's a guy by the name of Saul Alinsky, who's a social agitator. He wrote something that ended up in a book called The 48 Laws of Power. And he said, our world is not a world of angels, rather it is a world of angles, a world where men speak of morality, yet act on power principle. A world where we are always moral and our enemies are always immoral. Do you realize that what we have chosen over and over and over again is actually what benefited us? Do we realize that what we claim to be objectively ethical in everything is very, very, very often actually just what benefited us the most? Because we can't remove that lens of bias, can we? We can't remove the lens. And so because we can't remove the lens, then you're the hammer seeking for the nail.